How to make a resin picture frame. First, I print the image twice so it is double-sided. Get materials ready. This resin kit and mold are from Amazon. Now I am mixing a 1:1 ratio of the resin and hardener. I am pouring the first layer of resin and letting it cure overnight before starting the next. This is it the next morning. I'm looking to see how I want things placed before the next pour. I put a large shell first, then poured the next layer. Now I add the photo and cover it with more resin. After this layer dried, I poured one last layer and added more small shells. This is the finished result 24 hours later. I got a lot of bubbles on one side of the photo, but not bad for the first run. Want to see me do more of these? Follow me and send a message if you want one.